a farm.
Everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
The first dinosaur name is a velociraptor.
Old
T-Rex.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig.
A cow.
E-I-E-I-O.
This is a cow.
Here and up, there, here, up, there, up, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
This is a lion. A dog.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog.
The next point is a starfish. This is a starfish.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
A shark.
Old
This
MacDonald
is a
had farm.
shark.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-o. With a
Lobster. This is a lobster.
Old MacDonald
Giraffe.
farm. E-I-E-I-o.
A leopard.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-o. And on his farm he had some sheep.
Rooster.
E-I-E-I-o.
A panda. This is a panda.